Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to invite our keynote speaker who is here all the way from India. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I am talking about the Managing Director HR in Accenture, Dr. Tanaya Mishra. She has the unique and diverse experience of having worked across industries ranging from manufacturing, retail, insurance, and ITES. She is a PhD in manpower planning and has a postgraduate degree in human resources with a degree in law. She is also trained in psychometric testing and assessment centers, and of course, she has won various accolades and awards as well. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Dr. Tanaya Mishra.
Thank you so much for having me. So, you wonderful people of Nepal, it's such a pleasure to be with you. I have been hearing about the tales of your lineage and how you have struggled every time and come out successful, which is such an inspiration. What we saw just now was a little game. I didn't understand a word of Nepali, but what it does is that, together we can. So what I'm going to do today is, while I talk of certain trends in human resources and what is happening around, I want to also go back with something unique which you can do. So during my session, I would request you to kind of take notes. Of course, the presentation is yours to see. We would also want to practice because this is something which is unique. What I understood, and I was speaking to Sujata during the session, and what she was telling me is that all of you are at different stages, So obviously when you're at different stages, it becomes very difficult to have a level playing field. Some organizations are a little ahead of you, some organizations are not as advanced, so we are obviously at different. So what I'm going to leave you with, have you heard of design thinking? Have you heard of design thinking? Okay. So this session, what I'm going to do and concentrate is on design thinking, which is to help yourself. Okay? Correct me if what I have heard about human resources in Nepal is that it has just started. It's in its nascent stage. Am I right? Yes or no? I also believe that when you speak to business, you don't sometimes have a seat on the table. Am I right or no? Right? Right. So I'm going to help you with to address some of these issues so that you can help yourself. Right? So this session is more about anything else that you want me to address, because I want it to be more interactive, something that because you see, you've taken a lot of effort and time. So I lead human resources and I lead a very, very difficult piece, which is also employee relations. So I've done a lot of industrial relations. Fortunately, you don't have. Do you have unions in Nepal? You do? Okay, so I have been very active in handling unions, and I just, in Accenture, we had a union, which is a knowledge union. So where the negotiation was on Skype. Okay? So people in Bangladesh, and we closed our unit in Bangladesh, but I have very good relations with my president. Okay, so I can tell you a lot of tricks around that. So I have a presentation, but we can always move away from the presentation depending on what you want, because I want it to be more what you want. So any questions that you have or any agenda that you want to set for me, please do let me know, because I want it to be that way. Anything that you want me to address apart from what I have? Some psychometric testing? Okay, I should take up psychometric testing. Anything else?
Anything, yeah.
Sorry?
HR analytics. HR.
Sorry?
HR analytics.
HR analytics? Okay, we do a lot of that as well, because I don't have analytics figures here, but what I can definitely look and tell you all about that because we've done a lot of HR analytics ourselves and what we can address. Okay? So, sorry? Okay, so let me move. So this is really the design thinking way that I would like you to concentrate, right? So,
madam, I have some queries here.
Sorry, yeah. You have some queries.
We just want to some important legal
बोल्दैन सर
Labour Act of India, I will take you through some of the pieces, okay? By the way, if you follow me on LinkedIn, I was just addressing a group of very senior professionals across Asia Pacific. I look after employee relations for Asia Pacific. So I had people from 9 different countries and I had set out a case study. So I will also look at that. So what I want you to concentrate is on something called design thinking. Okay? So the design thinking is to think very, very different. To think what is currently available and to get yourself immersed in what is it that your organization is doing and to think through what you want to ideate. Okay? And then look at what is it that you want as a concept. Okay, what do you want to do? Because there's so much to be done. Okay? And then how do you build and how do you ensure that you have a seat on the table with your business heads? Okay? And then how do you reach the conclusion? The way to do it is if you have Skype here in Nepal? Yeah. I don't know. So if you can organize all of that and start your process with a Skype call and then follow it up. So they say that if you do something for over a month, then you kind of tend to be successful in what you do. So what I'm going to do is so actually I had said something on talent acquisition. I wanted to do design thinking a little later. So while she's putting it up, so let's talk about what are your issues with talent acquisition? Do you have issues with hiring of talent? You do have issues. So what are your issues with hiring of talent? How to find talent? Okay. So what we do is we have to have a talent pipeline which is ready. Okay? So the talent pipeline is if you are able to proactively look at how many of you are benchmarking your industry? Hands up. Only 2, 3, okay, 4, okay. But in an audience of so many, we have to understand what is the competition really doing. Okay? Once you do that, you have to understand what is your most frequently, what are you hiring most frequently. Okay? Once you do that, you go back to your business head and say, Mr. XYZ or Miss XYZ, for this position, we have this person who's doing whatever, this person who's doing whatever. So you have actually mapped this entire industry. It could be cement, it could be technology, it could be banking, it could be anything. Okay? Then, how many of you are familiar with psychometric testing? You are. What kind of psychometric testing do you follow? You're not following. Okay, the one very simple and cheap one is something called Thomas profiling. Have you heard of Thomas? Okay, so it follows something called the HJA. And what it does is it tries to do the DISC profiling. The DISC profiling is DISC. Dominance, influence, steadiness, and compliance. Okay? So if I had a little paper and pencil, I would actually try and do that. So if you were hiring for sales, where would the dominance be? In a graph, if you were doing a hiring for a sales profile, where is dominance would be? In a scale of 1 to 10? So if I have a level like that, dominance would be somewhere here, right? Yeah. Influence would somewhere be very high up there because you have to influence so much, right? Steadiness would be somewhere here, yeah, because they're never really steady. And compliance would be kind of sometimes they comply, sometimes they don't. So the graph would be something like that, right? Something like that. Okay. But if you have somebody in human resources, what you would be doing is dominance would be where? Up. Okay. The influence would be where? Middle. Okay? Steadiness would be high and compliance would be high, right? So what the HJA does is that it tries to map people and profiles to be able to get the right kind. If you want, then we could definitely work out. We could work with your. So there are many psychometric tests that they follow. Have you heard of SHL, Saville and Holdsworth? So they follow two pieces. So what they do is they try to understand the personality that you are. Okay? So they try to map the personality with what you are hiring, and depending on the personality match, then they go to do something called the assessment of potential. Okay? So based on which there is a kind of a match, and you're able to get the people. So there are a lot of people who are being hired. But are you aware of what is happening in the industry? It's a VUCA world, you said.